Finding the best invoice software can be a critical decision choice for your business, especially in its early stages. Organizing and keeping track of your finances as a small business or freelancer can get overwhelming very quickly. When I first started my business, I didn't know anything about invoices, contracts, and taxes. In order to record my invoices, I was manually entering all the data into an Excel spreadsheet and then printing physical copies. All of this mess changed when I discovered the existence of online invoice software. It was a big game changer for me. Now I could track and automate all of my invoices, billings, and taxes from one single place. Not only that, but many of the best invoice software choices can help you with project management and time tracking as well. In this video, I am going to show you my top 2 recommended invoice software for small businesses and freelancers, which can help you save countless hours of tedious work. So, let's get started. Number 1. Freshbooks. Freshbooks is one of the best invoice software in the industry, with over 24 million users. It is an adaptable billing and invoicing platform that is suitable for multiple requirements, including the tracking of invoices, estimates, projects, and expenses. Whether you are freelancing on your own or a small business with a decent number of employees, Freshbooks can help you tremendously. The software can speed up and execute your billing every month without complications. Users can make as many customizable invoices for their clients as they want in less than 30 seconds. They can even create automatic and recurrent client billing setups as well. And to top it all off, Freshbooks comes with an extremely easy-to-use mobile app, which allows you to document physical receipts with your phone camera. With prices starting at less than $5 per month, Freshbooks can be a real game changer for your small business. To try out Freshbooks for free, make sure to click on the link down below in the description box. Number 2. DotCo. Trusted by over 400,000 freelancers, DotCo is more than just an invoicing software. It is a software that covers every possible area a freelancer or entrepreneur might need to worry about. DotCo provides tools that are meant to make task management simpler and help your business grow. It is built with the intention to be as user-friendly as possible. By utilizing the multiple invoicing, billing, and tracking tools it provides, you can completely streamline every function of your business without any of the hassles. Beyond all of its standard accounting features, DotCo has one extra added value. There is a real-life person that you can contact anytime you need help. They can train you, give you advice, and answer any question, which makes you feel like you are not alone. DotCo comes with a free plan, which allows you to bill one client, and a pro plan, which gives you access to all of its features and an unlimited number of clients. You can register for free using the link we have left in the description box below. And that's it, folks. Got any questions about online invoicing? Make sure to let us know in the comments down below.